Here I have POCO C50, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. By holding a finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can change its resolution, you can change video quality, you can change orientation, you can change sound source. You can set up fixed frame rate, or you can just enable automatic frame rate. Here you can select frame rate if you enabled fixed one. You can also lock screen to end recording, you can show touch gestures, and you can also show button taps. So in order to start recording, just tap on this button once, then this small menu appears. From here you can also access settings. You can access a gallery from here too. So to start recording, just tap on this red button once and recording starts immediately. So I don't know, we recorded some of our screen. In order to stop recording, just tap on this red button once again. And after that, recording will be saved to the gallery. What's going on? To the album called Screenshots and Screen Recordings in the screen recording section. And here is our recording. This red button once and recording starts immediately. So I don't know, we recorded some of our screen. In order to stop it, and from here you can share, you can edit, you can favorite, delete your recording, also add to album, cast, rename, and see its details. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.